subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei is set to announce its new smartphone under Y series called Y6s. Recently, the Huawei's Y6s official renders were surfaced online by Android Headlines that reveals the first look of the upcoming smartphone. According to the leak image, the Huawei Y6s is seen to have a water drop notch at the top center of the display that carries an selfie camera. The edges of the screen is covered by thin bezels and has small chin at the bottom with Huawei branding. On the rear, it has a single camera setup aligned at the top left corner including LED flash. And there is also an rear mounted fingerprint sensor appears at the top center. The leak image also suggests the upcoming smartphone will have a blue color variant. Talking about the specifications, according to the previous rumors, the Huawei Y6s will feature a 6.1-inch display similar to Huawei Y6 Pro 2019 smartphone. The phone is set to pack with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of inbuilt storage. In terms of camera, the Huawei Y6s will house a single 13MP camera on the rear. Apart from this, there is no other details of Huawei Y6s has leaked so far. Regarding the launch date, the Huawei Y6s is expected to launch before the end of this year. So, as of now, that's all we know about the upcoming Huawei Y6s smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.